Hello everyone and welcome to Friday, our big math session. Now this is the Clic 6 video. This is the fourth week of Clic 6, okay? Remember they are slightly different each week. It's the same sort of questions, okay, but slightly different. Quick reminder first of odd and even numbers like we have been doing. Let's look at, today I'm going to look at the even numbers first. What's the first even number on my number line here? Yeah, it's 2, isn't it? Remember, our even numbers are the ones with flat tops, aren't they? Okay, everyone's got a friend in our even numbers. There's no one left out. There's no odd person out. So 2, 4. What's next? 6. Yeah. 8. 10. You see the pattern, can't you? We're skipping one each time. 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Can't quite fit that in. 20 on there, okay? So there were the even numbers on my number line here. And of course they keep on going, don't they? 22, 24, 26, 28 and so on and so on. So they were the even numbers. The odd ones, remember, are the ones with the sticky up bits. Ones where there's an odd one out. They haven't got a friend, they haven't got a partner. All of the odd numbers here are all the ones in between. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on and so on. Okay? So a quick reminder of odds and evens. Now, the reason I wanted to show the evens one there was to give a little reminder for, I think it's question 3, that I know a couple of people have been struggling with, counting in 2s, isn't it? Looking at a number pattern and then working out what the missing number was. Well, counting in 2s is all the even numbers, isn't it? So, if you know the even numbers, which you do, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, they're the first 10 even numbers, that is your counting in 2s sorting. So you should be able to do question 3, shouldn't you? Okay, so a little tip for remembering that. Okay, right, let's have a look at this week's. Here we are, Clic 6, week 4, okay? So number 1, breaking down that number into 10s and 1s. We've been doing an awful lot of this, haven't we? We shouldn't have any problem there. Question number 2 is putting those numbers in order, starting with the smallest, going straight through to the greatest or the biggest. Question 3, counting in 2s. Can you spot which is the missing number? Remember our little tip about looking at even numbers when we're counting in 2s. What's the missing number there? I'm sure you'll be able to do that. Number 4. Now this is a tricky one I think this week. Okay, it's a number pattern again, a number sequence. What is the missing number? See if you can work it out. Okay, let's see how you get on. Number 5. Circle the even numbers this week. What are the even numbers? Or you're just going to write down the even numbers, not the odd, just the even numbers. Question number 6 is writing the next 3 numbers in this sequence. So there's the first 3 numbers. What are the next 3? Okay, write those down. Question number 7 is working out what this number sentence is asking you to do and writing the answer. There's a number line to help you if you need it. Similarly, for number 8, look at that number sentence, work out what it's asking you to do, and then, if you want to use a number line to help you can, but you need to write the answer. And 9 and 10 are both counting backwards, aren't they? So, here's the first 3 numbers. What are the next 3 numbers if you count backwards there? And the same for the last one. What are the next 3 numbers if you're counting backwards from there? Okay? So, press pause now, you can see them all there. Good luck everyone. Do your very, very best. Remember, all you're trying to do is to try and get as many as you got last week or even more if you can. Okay? And if you got 10 out of 10, remember, you get 3 10 out of 10s in a row, we'll be going on to the next clic, which will be Clic 7. Okay? But don't worry if you don't get them all right, because what the whole point of this is to work out where you need a little bit more help. And usually, if you fall down on something, I'm thinking this one will be hard this week, don't worry, because next week I'll do some practice, so that practice numbers on it so you can make sure you get it next time, okay? This is all about trying to beat your last score, that's all it is. So good luck everyone. Grown-ups, if you could please let me know how they did, and score out of 10, then I will make sure that everyone gets their dojo point. Well done everyone, have a super weekend, bye bye for now.